So here I basically have a 1K sine wave going in, and I'm doing a standardization procedure here. I'm making sure that the level that I put the sine wave in, the gain, is going to be at nominal or 0. So what I do is I use monovision for that, making sure that it's dead on where I'm looking at, so I have a good perception of like where we're at. This particular unit looks like it's going to be about 16. So what I do is I'll take this and I'll put gain equals 16, right? And then we're going to test the compression ratio of this particular unit. We have a little bit of a slower cell, so it might act a little slower. This one has a compression ratio, not what we'd probably put out. It wouldn't stop it, but this would make me question something, and I might go into it and just change it a bit. This one says that we're at 6410, and I would write that down on here if I was going to keep it, which I'm not. And then from there, I talked about earlier with the clocking everything and making sure that I know exactly what the metric is for what we're doing. So here I have my handy dandy little phone out. And so what I'm going to do is I still got the sine wave going in. I'm compressing it down to 10 dB. And I'm going to take away the compression and time it to see how long it takes to get to 1. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure I get it right at 1. And as it crosses over, I'll take a snapshot of the time there. And then we'll let it keep going, and then we'll keep timing down to 0. And we'll have a final time on that. This one, it took 7.2 seconds to get to 1. So now if this person does ask for a pair, I would try to put an optical cell in there that is very close to 7.2. And that's the trick. You have to match that, and you have to match the settling number too, and the compression and the gain. So these are, again, to the point of what Chris was saying earlier about how long this takes to make a pair. If we're making a pair, or just trying to make a specific build for a certain way, we put a lot of care and detail into these things, and this is part of that procedure here, making sure that that's firmed up.